Oh, ants are killing me. Good morning, sports fans. Chris here, Moto Photo Adventures. Jason over there packing up. We are getting ready for another great day on the TransAmerica Trail. We suffered through the mud of Oklahoma. We're almost at the end and ended up with this really cool little campsite on the side of the road. How would you think of the campsite?
Oh, it's fantastic. The wind coming off of this direction, flowing straight across, kept us cool all night. It was fantastic.
Perfect temperatures.
Yeah, 60 something all night.
I have one of those cheap Amazon Ecotech mattresses, and it sprung a leak last night. So I slept on the ground. It wasn't fun. Actually, it was okay. It wasn't a problem. What about you? How do you sleep?
I slept great. I hung myself between two trees, and I was sleeping in the hammock till about, I don't know, 5:30, and our lovely neighbor with his squeaky alternator belt decided to let his truck run for 5 to 10 minutes while he was getting ready to go to work.
And today we're getting back on the TransAmerica Trail and head into whatever the next state is. We don't even know.
What? You're going the wrong way! I'm checking out my kitchen sink. Jason said he needed some tools, so I'm helping him out.
All right.
Because I tend to carry too much stuff.
I can see that. All this fits on your bike?
Oh yeah.
Jeez. You know what I love the best about these Nelson rig bags? Waterproof and all that, but they come with this great insert. So you can just pack that, carry it in your tent. You got all your clothes, toiletries, whatever you need. And then you just bring it out, boom.
Think that if you tighten it, tighten this, tighten it.
Yeah, that's the one.
Remember, whatever you do on that side, you got to do on this side.
Yep. That's 5. That's about right.
Yeah. So he's at 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the tension like right now that you pulled this one back?
That looks pretty good. Yeah, you don't want it to be too tight.
Yep.
Because otherwise you damage your front sprockets and shaft.
Right.
But you need a little bit of slack for it to adjust as the string arm goes up and down.
Gotcha. I kind of know what I'm doing because I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. However, when it's the first time that you're doing it, it's probably better to have somebody do it for you so you can watch, because there's always that one little thing that's going to mess you up that you didn't know about.
And even if you don't mess it up, you're always in the back of your mind going, did I do it right?
I don't understand. What did we do wrong?
Exactly, exactly. So, thank you, fellas.
All right. Well, check this out, guys.
Little asphalt work.
Little downtown Boise City here.
Kind of cool.
That is cool. Looks a little bit like Darlington. Yeah, they have that little circular drive around the courthouse. Very cool.
This one's not circular because it's under construction. This would be a half circle.
So we stopped here for gas and look who we found. Hi Pedro! Hi buddy! You're such a pretty puppy! Aww.
I got a yellow lab, he's 11.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's a baby, man.
My son's got one. She's been great.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
They
What?
call me hippie around here.
Happy?
Hippie.
Hippie. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
So nice to bump into a local at a gas station and give us advice on where to go for breakfast. We made it to the Bluebonnet Cafe. Got the flag out front. There's your flag, Steve.
Yeah.
You think that'll fit on the back of your bike? Oh, this place looks great. Hey, they told us you guys were the best place in town to eat.
We are.
We don't know.
Very cool.
That's the only place besides Dairy Queen and Love's.
Hi.
Anywhere.
We're from Charleston, South Carolina, so that's southern enough, I suppose. Thank you. What's your name?
Heidi.
Heidi, what is that?
It's a gift for
The TransAmerica Trail guest
just
list.
you.
Do you have hot tea? Is this a presidential pardon?
It should be. So who was the last one to come through here?
Donald J. Trump. Man, this is awesome. We're back on the dirt. What you think, Steve?
I love it, especially with this crosswind.
Why?
It keeps the dust out of my face.
So the wind is blowing my dust sideways, so you can still ride through some clear.
Absolutely.
Oh, there's a picture. Dang, wish we had time to stop.
Don't get too complacent. It's pretty easy riding, but there are patches of
Yep.
Soft stuff, yep.
Can I make noises like?
Yeah, but take it down a volume notch.
A little bit of sand up here.
Oh, a lot of sand up here. It gets wiggly.
Man, helps to stand, I think. Let the bike dance under you a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying Delta. Please buckle up and enjoy the long, straight ride to Colorado. Hey, can you guys see that comet up ahead?
The comet.
Yeah. Look directly ahead and a little to the left. About 20 degrees up.
Contrail, man. It's a contrail.
No, it's a comet.
What'd you have for lunch?
It's the government controlling the weather.
You know, come to think of it, Steve, I do believe there were some mushrooms on my sandwich. Man, this is beautiful. This is like the middle of nowhere.
You know, I've been on some trails in South Carolina. I thought I was in the middle of nowhere. Boy, once again, boys, stay in the right or left.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be switching lanes anytime soon.
Got some soft stuff coming up here, boys. Enjoy it. Shift down and roll.
I'm rolling on you, Jason, so if you lose it, I got it all on camera.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. Got it.
Man, I need a 250 on this. Wah, wah, wah.
Could be flying down this thing.
Man, this is some bizarre country out here. We haven't seen a single soul in forever.
You know, it just blows my mind that you can drive for miles, and not see another vehicle. I mean, you see what appears to be farms, but I mean, there's just very little traffic out here.
And a lot of the farms are abandoned, so I don't know what's what's happened there, but look at that.
Come over this hill and here's this little.
Look at that view, man. That road just goes
Rainville.
on and on and on. See, look at here. There's some industry going on, and yet we haven't seen a truck or a car or anything for like 30 minutes. Can you imagine? No roads, none of these power lines, nothing but buffalo as far as you could see.
Man, that'd be crazy.
And then you're trying to figure out, how the heck am I going to build a log cabin?
Not a tree in sight. Well, this just shows how diverse America is, man.
Love it.
Imagine what, woo!
Ouch!
Imagine what a person from this part of the country would think if you plopped them down in the middle of New York City.
Yeah.
And vice versa. You know, you take some kid from the middle of downtown Washington, D.C., where you're just jammed in, millions of people. It's quite a diverse country we live in. I photographed an event one time where a school took a group of inner city kids from Charleston to Bull Island to see the ocean or the sand, the beach for the first time. They had never ever seen the ocean. Is that not crazy?
It is.
Probably lived all of 30 or 40 miles from the ocean and had never seen
dad
it.
lived 12 miles from the ocean in Philadelphia growing up as a kid, and he never saw the ocean until he was like 21 years old.
That's crazy. Well, we're pretty lucky to be out on this trip, man. This is cool to be able to experience America this way.
What a view. It looks like all the farmers have bought this place up. You know, when you get out west, they say there's a lot of BLM land, or Bureau of Land Management, which means, you know, it's public land, publicly owned, so we could camp for free on it. But with the fences around it, I'm assuming these farmers have bought this land, so it's no longer public.
Guess what? We are done with today. We are done riding. Good job, Steve. What'd you find us?
I found us the most epic spot.
Jason, you gonna show us?
Wait till you see the view that we have.
Show us the Vanna White view with your hands. Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, we are free camping. What did we call it?
Stealth camping.
Stealth camping. We are stealth camping right off this little road on the TransAmerica Trail. A couple of bushes, little side road, and we have made it to our campsite for tonight. That was an awesome day of riding. We're in Colorado. The roads are epic. We got some great scenery. Oklahoma, we said goodbye, Oklahoma.
I mean, Oklahoma was cool because it was flat and straight and straighter and straight.
Which, in its simplicity, is kind of cool.
Yes,
I mean,
and we got some great photographs of some cool things, but a little more topographical.
Yes.
Interest would
be nice.
Hit the spot.
Yeah. Awesome. Not a whole lot. The other thing I didn't like about Oklahoma was it's so sparsely populated. There weren't people for us to meet. We didn't meet hardly anybody the last 2 days.
Nope.
That's true.
So here we are.
Here we are. Max is parked over there. There's Mr. Zebra right here. And Mr. Trinity up here in the corner. We're ready to set up.
Wait till I send you a picture of where I'm sitting right now.
You need to have the put the phone like there.
Pull your chair up. We'll do a selfie. We need Steve to be in the middle. Steve's fluorescent shirt. And you and I in our black shirts. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.